Welcome guys, if you want to manage notifications on your MyPhone Pocket 18x9, let's go to the settings. Now click on the apps and notifications. Scroll down and click on the notifications, and there is the 4 options that we can manage. And the first one is just to permanently turn on or just turn off the notifications for every application. So for example, if you get a lot of notifications from the Google Chrome, you can just click here and permanently disable these notifications. The second one, we can manage the notifications on our lock screen, so we can just show them or hide. We can also show the notification dots and change the default notification sound. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.